Alright. Alright, we're gonna be beating stupid lightning road. The like last ship section I'm worried about. Like the very end is the orb and you have to hit it because it's such a weird timing. I keep dying there. Like the rest of it would be good. Holy crap. Alright, so top, bottom. Okay, now this is the part. Holy shit, bro. Holy shit, bro. Wow, okay, that's definitely an easy demon. That took me a little bit of time. Done. And I got a new skin. I can't like this one better. I'm gonna lie. Also, can I get anything from the shop? No. So, now that is my second demon. Oh. Right, yeah. Also, let's just see how much DJ Sona tonight. Dot Paradise promises so easy and an line all play area. Lightning Road, Dolby Basic 7, Dreamland, Crappy Hexagon, The World, Backtrack RM, which sucks. Lucid Dreams, Space Travel, Destructive Auto, Ursula Dreams, Warmth, Auto Cycles. Oh my. Oh yeah, and then it's just like basically auto levels since I grinded out auto level. Alright, I'm gonna try one attempt on Cycles, because why not? The Lightning Road versus Cycles. I beat it. So I beat Lightning Road. Let's see if I can beat Cycles. Maybe it's a demon. An extreme demon. No. I'm an idiot. Yeah, I only started 1 month ago, Jesus Christ. Wow. Okay. Right, shotgun lightning round. Now for Speed Racer. My best attempt on Speed Racer. Shit. Yeah, I can tell this is going to take a lot more attempts. 1% already. Shit. Hurt. Ah, shit. Also, let's check my lightning road. Wow. Move to coins. GG 67 attempts. Times 3. Who is that? What? No. What? No. Rob Top, do not rate this. Please. Not the Lightning Road 2. Alright, I'm done. I'm not doing that. What about Otto? It's hard, so... Holy shit. What the hell? Oh, it has no poles, it's trapped. No. Man, I hope I don't magically die. Oh no! Oh, that sucks though. Fine, one more attempt on speed racing. Okay, so I will say the Lightning Road is easier than the Nightmare. Bro, what do I gotta do? Why? Shit. Is this something harder than Cycle? So big tells me this was a play test. Wait. Dude, I'm also... Oh, why you want me? Stupid ass fucking glitch. Alright.
The solution is permanently stored in the save file. The numbers will change every time you type the code, but the actual answer always stays the same. As you scroll through the main levels, the game cycles through 9 different background colors. These colors aren't stored as hex code.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so I'm done. See ya.